Hi guys, I got one error. I would like to share with you how I solved this error. So let's get started. Actually, when I was pushing my code to GitHub account, that time I got this error. So I'm going to show you how to solve this error. First time I am pushing my code to my GitHub account. So let's see how I fix that problem. So now I am going to pushing the code to my GitHub account. Push. Okay. Push. So as you see, this is the error I faced when I was pushing my code to GitHub account. So I am going to fix this problem. It's showing the fail to connect to github.com port 443 after 21052 MS could not connect to server. So I'm going to fix this problem. So let's see. Git config space hyphen double hyphen global http.proxy socks 5. I have to type here 127.0.17890. Then press enter. Then push again the code. Then again same error, so I have to write here config hyphen added here is https, then press enter, push it. Again the same error, so right now git So now it's showing the pop-up to connect to GitHub. So I have to sign in here with browsers. So I'm click. So I'm typing here my GitHub username and also password. Then sign in. So it's showing that I have successfully signed. So I have to go to Visual Studio Code, then push again the code, push. Everything is up to date, so I have to type here push. Finally, I fixed this problem and successfully push my code to my GitHub account. So I will give the Git code in my description. So I hope that you will also fix your error. If you face like this error, you can fix that. So thanks for watching.